Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at Amplifier hearing aids, which promise crystal clear sound and advanced audio processing for those struggling with mild to moderate hearing loss. They boast wireless charging, a 20-hour battery life, and customizable silicone ear tips for ultimate comfort. It all sounds lovely on paper, but then again, so does a timeshare in a swamp. Let's dig a little deeper to see if these claims actually hold any water. First off, the company flexes big-name media mentions like NBC, USA Today, and Fox News to build instant trust. However, there is absolutely zero proof to back this up. No links, no screenshots, nothing. It's a bit like me claiming I'm the secret fourth member of the Jonas Brothers. It sounds impressive until you realize I'm just making things up to feel important. Using major outlets for unverified clout is a massive red flag that suggests they're more interested in your wallet than your hearing. Things get even weirder when you look at the product images on their website. It turns out the photos are lifted directly from another site entirely. You'd think a legitimate brand could afford a camera or, at the very least, a smartphone to take their own pictures. Using someone else's homework to look professional is a classic shady tactic that should make anyone nervous. If they can't even provide an original photo of the device, what exactly are they shipping to your house? Then there is the total lack of clinical studies or expert backing. Most reputable hearing aids are supported by peer-reviewed research or endorsements from actual audiologists. Amplifier, however, seems to think, "Trust me, bro," is a valid medical certification. Without any professional recommendations, their claims about unrivaled sound excellence are about as reliable as a weather forecast in April. It's a lot of flashy marketing hype with very little substance to support it. Finally, let's talk about those suspiciously perfect reviews. The website claims a near-perfect 4.9 rating based on 800 reviews, yet every single one is glowing with zero negative feedback. Meanwhile, over on Trustpilot, there are zero reviews to be found. It's almost as if they've created a digital fantasy world where nobody ever has a bad day or a faulty product. When it comes to your health, you shouldn't gamble on a device that has more red flags than a parade in Beijing. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed this reality check, like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews.